Through hell I burned my name. I faced the dark, I felt the flame. The chains you built, they couldn't stay. I broke them all, I found my way. You fed me lies, I swallowed pain. I turned your hate to fuel again. You tried to drown the spark inside, but fire never dies. Every scar is a mark of war. Every fall taught me something more. I'm still alive. Through blood and broken bones I rise. I'm still alive. You'll never kill what never dies. I've seen the end, I paid the price, but I'm still standing. I'm still alive. You thought my soul would fade away, but ashes breathe the light of day. Your silent scream, but I could hear the call that pulled me through the fear. You left me bleeding in the dirt. I wear your hate just like a shirt. You can't